How do I configure a moderated discussion group in LISTSERV? Under the List Management menu, click on List Configuration and locate a keyword named Editor. Then enter the email address of the editor for the list. This is usually, but not always, the same as the list owner. If you want to define additional moderators, use the moderator keyword. For lists with multiple moderators, you can select either all, which means that all moderators receive notifications of messages awaiting moderation, or round robin, which means that the load is shared among the list of moderators. Finally, set the send keyword to editor. Make sure to also check the confirm and hold boxes. To cut down on potential spam ending up in the moderation queue, select Non-members and editors under Confirm Applies To. This will require non-subscribers to confirm their postings before they are forwarded to the moderators for approval. Thank you for watching.